Yo, what's up guys? How you doing today? I'm in Legian. I want to show you a little bit how it looks live today in Legian Street and Legian Padma Uttara. I'm now in Legian Padma, but also as you see over there, just everything seems still closed. I got so many requests to show you that area, so I hope so you will enjoy. Stay with me. Okay, so I'm at the front of the Poser pub, and here's the entrance to the Padma Uttara, which is North Padma Street. And unfortunately, this part of the Legian, this part of Bali in general, is totally deserted. There's nothing is happening here, and some people could say as it looks like a ghost town because, well, I will be afraid to walk here in the middle of the night. Here is the Y bar, still open, and always empty, unfortunately. However, the owner doesn't give up. And well, I still remember when this street was super famous and super busy, really not so long time ago. Well, 2 years ago, and before the current situation. But currently looks like this. It's like everything is just gone. Here we have a Ibis Styles hotel is open, and I think they are very cheap, very affordable. And well, this street is in general famous, popular for the many shopping strolls, shopping shops, tattoos, cheap hotels, more expensive hotels, and everything like that. This is just the middle street of the Padma area in Legian to compare to the beachfront is on the left. Supposed to be very busy here. Also so many rental bikes, places, many tour drivers trying to sell you something, and in general was super extremely busy. But look at this one, it looks like abundant already, and it's almost similar like looks like in Benoa when I make a harsh reality of video. But I remember, and many of you I remember, this area was full of life. It was really busy and actually quite difficult to driving here by car, and parking the car was almost impossible. But currently looks like this. Totally big, tragic, and almost everything here is literally closed. Okay, this hotel is open actually, but well, it doesn't look like it's super busy, right? And many of the places over here. Anyway, last time I used to walk here, but now decide to drive here. Will be a little bit more action, more fast, more dynamic than walking. And some of you also complain as the walking is boring, so maybe driving a car is actually better. Also, the videos who are driving like this are getting more views, so I think maybe it's better like that. Anyway, also here away, this hotel is open, and there are some cars, probably the only one busy place in that area. And here is the famous Buddha Legian, Fat Buddha Legian. This bar was legendary a long time ago. But also doesn't look that much optimistic today. It's open, but well, empty, and like everything here is totally almost closed. Not even almost closed, is just closed. This hotel is even selling the room for 120,000 per night. And here is the also small street. Many people ask me to come here and make a vlog, so here we go. I also got invitation for one Australian-owned restaurant with my friends, Aussie friends who retired in Bali. They actually invite me to come here, but I'm not sure where we're gonna come. So you can expect the very comprehensive review and vlog from this specific area. But meanwhile, today I also gonna show you how does it look like. And well, in the short words, I can say as almost everything is just simply literally closed, unfortunately. However, Jimmy is here. I used to drive car like this some time ago. Many stories about that also. And well, yeah, that's how it looks live in Legian. This is the Bali Gone hotel and apartments. I think also closed. And I'm gonna move slowly to show you the Legian Street, the main Legian Street, which it's more popular and should be more busy even today. We are focused today all about the Legian, and we will see. I hope so, some more action in Legian Street, because here it's really deserted. It's almost depressing. Oh, check this out, the small kids. Yo! They go, yo! they play barong. That's the optimistic vibe. But after that, okay, see you on Legian Street. And here we go. This is already Legian Street. Definitely much more popular street in Legian in Bali. This is one of the most popular streets and places in Bali actually so far, and I could say it's already a little bit more alive, definitely, but still very far to the compared to the what's supposed to be. There are some people driving around, that's for sure. There is the guy with the big Harley Davidson, also not so bad. Obviously local people driving big bikes in Bali like that. It's not California to enjoy, but well, some people enjoy. Anyway, some people already come back from different islands of Indonesia to their warungs and try to recover somehow, but unfortunately, like this warung, even here they are open, but there is no people on the streets. If you know what I mean, guys. Normally was so many people. It's 5:15 already. Another yellow Harley Davidson, Warung Mina, and it's simple word supposed to be busy, but it's simply not. Some people are standing on the streets, and they are looking for customers, like ladies, even the massage ladies and everybody, but simply there is no people walking on the streets, no tourists. And if there's no tourists, that's everything doesn't work, because who wanna come and buy something in the warung or in the shop or in the restaurant or in the bar? Nobody, right? And yeah, that's how it is, the reality of Legian in 2021. Still very far until something gonna change, and I think I already mentioned many times, Bali needs to do something like Indonesia needs to do something like in Thailand, at least no quarantines, and maybe something will change. But currently, even the big Legian 36 is for rent. There is the VIP. They still selling pizza. Actually, I wanted to come here for dinner, but not today. But next time I will come here, make a vlog, especially for you guys. Sky Garden. Well, that's simply how does it look like in Legian. Here maybe a little bit more alive, but like I said, there is no people walking on the streets. There are not many cars. At that time supposed to be already quite busy with everyone. People, even these bags, rattan bags, which was super famous long time ago. I remember everybody wants to buy. Even Winnie bought, even asked me to buy it. And I pay something like 150,000 rupiah for that. Now they are easily with the fixed price, with the paper, big sign, 30k, 35k. Can you imagine that? That was like not possible even to negotiate long time ago. And I think they are selling that for the price what they bought. I think they buying like this for 30k around from the wholesaler. And now they are trying to sell it just to get money back or whatever, you know, because well, who gonna buy this bag for 150 or 200 or 300k now? Nobody wanna even buy for 30k. I mean, it's not expensive for anyone, for even local people, or doesn't matter, it's cheap. But there is no people walking on the street. Seriously, that's terrible, sad. Like this is first tourist here, what I see today in full entire vlog. Just park at in Kuta, where is the big KFC and Domino's Pizza, like a big parking. I can peacefully talk. So basically, that's how it looks. The real situation in Bali right now. And I think if the quarantine will be not lifted totally, nothing will change and everything will going more and more and more down. This is really sad to watching this over and over again. It's going only worse and worse. Of course, some places are getting improved, especially like Kuta Beach and Beach Walk Mall and like Seminyak 66, Canggu, Fins Beach Club, like beach clubs, or like you saw yesterday in Uluwatu maybe, that these certain places they are going pretty well. But the rest of the places, what we know, all of you know, me know, everybody know, it's like completely deserted. It's like self-destruction. It's hard to even describe what's going on. It's really sad, I have to say. I'm also thinking really a lot nowadays, and I just realized even on Google Trends, you know, Google Trends, if you're gonna put Bali in Google, there is like a special metric when you can see the interest of people from all around the world who are looking for search term of Bali is so dramatically dropped, nearly to zero. It's less than 100,000 people worldwide looking for Bali, guys. I know all of the Australian people, most of the Australian people are interested about coming to Bali as fast as possible, but after that, the rest of the world who living, let's say, in Europe or United States, or I don't know, anywhere elsewhere on the other side of the globe, and they are looking for holiday destination, like tropical holiday destination, you know what I mean, guys, like going somewhere to Asia, feel the Asian vibe, Asian food, stuff like this. They don't really care if it's Bali or Thailand or Vietnam or whatever, because they just want to go where it's cheap, where it's freedom, especially freedom. Here is no freedom, right? I mean, not now. And for them, doesn't matter where they gonna go, and I can definitely see that. Even I'm watching a lot of now YouTube videos from different creators from Thailand. Many of my viewers, you guys, watching them also, so that means you also interested to looking for something different. That's the reality. I have no idea what's the future gonna bring to Bali, because currently it's just sad, I have to say, waiting for the Christmas and New Year. Everything will be very limited during the Christmas and New Year because of obvious reason, and we will see what January gonna brings to this country and to this place and to these people around, because I don't know. Okay, guys, little bit talking too much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope so you're still being with me. Even sometimes nowadays something going wrong with YouTube. I'm not really getting what I'm still trying to figure out. And thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow as always. See ya. Take care, guys.